Nick Young find the range, and he can.
Early offense. I can see what the Warriors are trying to do. That's one reason they're throwing the ball away.
Block. Nick Young took it from Wiggins. How does he handle the break? Steph, feet set. Three down.
So for a quicker release.
Heck, Gareth Andre said, hey, Nick, make that three. And how about an instant replay the other way?
You know, a little pick and roll, two-man jump.
Than any player in the league. And also has more four-point plays than anybody. Nick Young, good decision. And Clay pays it off. Steve Kerr just pointed at Nick Young.
Right up. You feast. This is an ISO.
Oh, Clay right around Crawford. Open Omri Caspi. And that three is down. Keep letting Gibson shoot jumpers.
Fantastic.
Iguodala speed dribbling. And Andre, field goal on the foul. He's running the floor. Steph pushes ahead to Clay. Drop it to McGee. And he hammers it home.
You got a double-digit lead.
Wiggins forgot the ball.
He had nowhere to go. He's trying to squeeze it through.
It's Clay. Speaking of all-time great shooters. JaVale with a running start. And the right-hand hammer.
Well, the Red Sea parted.
Wiggins runs into JaVale. And JaVale was there.
Perfect. Didn't reach.
There is no shot clock with the Warriors around the break. And Caspi with the lay-in. Deal. And Caspi has one. Caspi, long striding to the iron, dropped it off to Clay.